All right, so I just replaced the alternator on my 2006 Dodge 1500. Has a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi in it, and lots of videos out there that tell you all about how to install, how to take the old one out. There's a bracket right there. It's got four 13 millimeter heads on it. You've got a 15 millimeter here and a 15 millimeter there. And then you've got the plug right there that has a 13 millimeter head, and then you just have a push plug there. And of course you have to disconnect the battery using most of the time 10 millimeter. But what the tool they don't tell you about is this guy right here. And that is a hammer and a wooden block. Because there's the old one, I was able to get it out with that pry bar there, which a lot of videos showed that. But then I went to put the new one in, and I put grease on it, and I tried to shove it all I could, but this part here would not go on. And so what I did is I just put a wooden block right here, and then I just tapped it with the hammer. And obviously you don't want to hit the housing directly with a hammer, but with a big thick wooden block on top, and it just went right in. So don't forget that tool. A hammer, doesn't have to be that big, but a hammer and a wooden block.